there, guys. Just letting them out for the morning flight. This is all the young'uns. A couple of the white birds. Let's see how they all do. That's the two young'uns. And away round by this tree. They do the circle. Oh, that vegan right there in the back, done a great, just keep my eye on it. It was doing some nice wee moves. It's a bronze one. That you be in there. They're all over the place. They're all over the place. That white way up there. Aye, they're enjoying that. That sounds starting to get together. I've noticed that with them when they go up. They scatter all over the place. That was the first wee saddleback baby I had there just walking down the front of the hut. It's turning out a lovely wee do. Great wee flyer. I was always worried about my setup, having like the wires, the bob traps, but lifting them out once they're nearly fully feathered and they're further on the wing, bringing them out, setting them up there, putting them in the top of the loft. It's basically homing them and training them ourselves. So by the time the day takes some flight, they're just jumping up, flapping their wings on the loft, getting a wee bit of elevation, then they go from there to there, back, and then the next move is for the loft to where we champers are on the roof, and then usually within the next couple of weeks they're in the sky. See, they're starting to cut in a wee bit better now. It's always the same, they go up, they just spread their wings, they do their own thing, and then they start cutting in, but they're enjoying that. My eyes is all over the place watching for the hawks. Dog's out, I'm out, I've got a whistle. That might sound stupid, but I've got a whistle, and if I see a hawk, trust me, I blow it because I know they hate noise too. That was Freddie landing on top of the... Come on Freddie, move! She's not there. I'm going to change her for the world. She's getting jealous, so that's what she's going to do. Shake it off. There she goes, she's landed in the hut. Flame's usually her pal. So he is. That's it for today, girl. Enjoy my wee flight. I'm going to get this iPad down now so I can watch the sky for the hawk. Have a great day, everybody.